The subjunctive. If you've been learning Spanish for a while, you've probably heard that this is the hardest thing in the language. I'm going to challenge that idea today, because the subjunctive follows a very clear logic, and once you see it, it makes complete sense. Let's start from the beginning. Presentación breve. Hi, I'm Andres. Welcome back to our Intermediate Spanish Grammar B1, B2 course. This is Lesson 4. Y este es el subjuntivo. In Spanish, verbs can appear in different moods. You already know the indicative mood, which is used for facts, certainties, and objective reality. The subjunctive is a different mood used for subjective situations, wishes, doubts, emotions, recommendations, and hypotheticals. Indicative. She studies every day. Fact. Subjunctive. I hope she studies every day. Wish not a fact. The subjunctive appears in subordinate clauses after a trigger verb plus Q. Whiteboard formación del subjuntivo presente. How to form the present subjunctive. Step 1. Start with the yo form of the present indicative. Step 2. Drop the o. Step 3. Add the opposite vowel endings. AR verbs take E endings. Hable, hables, hable, hablemos, habléis, hablen. IR verbs take A endings. Coma, comas, coma, comamos, comáis, comen. Examples. Hablar, yo hablo. Hablar. Hable, hables, hable. Comer, yo como. Coma, comas, coma. Tener, yo tengo. Tenga, tengas, tenga. The irregular yo form carries into subjunctive. Hacer, yo hago. Haga, hagas, haga. Decir, yo digo. Diga, diga, diga. Whiteboard, irregulares del subjuntivo. Fully irregular subjuntivo forms. Memorize as a set. Ser, sea, seas, seamos, seáis, sean. Estar, este, estes, este, estemos, estáis, estén. Vaya, vayas, vaya, vayamos, vayáis, vayan. Haber, haya, hayas, haya, hayamos, hayáis, hayan. Sepa, sepas, sepa, sepamos, sepáis, sepan. Dar, de, des, demos, deis, den. Whiteboard, cuando usarlo. WEIRDO, a useful memory trick for when to use the subjunctive. WEIRDO, wishes, deseos, quiero que vengas. Y, emotions, me alegra que estés aquí. Y, impersonal expresiones, es importante que estudies. R, recomendaciones, requestas, te recomiendo que hables con él. D, doubt denial, dudo que tenga razón. O, ojalá, ojalá puedas venir. Ejemplos. Let's see the subjunctive in action. Espero que todo salga bien. I hope everything goes well. Es necesario que estudien más. It's necessary that they study more. Quiero que me digas la verdad. I want you to tell me the truth. Me sorprende que no lo sepas. I'm surprised you don't know it. Busco un apartamento que tenga 2 habitaciones. I'm looking for an apartment that has 2 bedrooms. Ojalá haga buen tiempo mañana. I hope the weather is good tomorrow. The biggest mistake English speakers make is using the infinitive instead of the subjunctive, saying quiero tu venir instead of quiero que vengas. In Spanish, whenever there are 2 different subjects in the sentence and a trigger verb, you need que plus subjunctive. Only when both verbs share the same subject can you use the infinitive. Quiero venir, I want to come, same subject. Before I let you go, if you found this lesson useful but feel like some of the basics aren't fully solid yet, our free Spanish Grammar for Beginners A1, A2 course is right here on the channel. 13 lessons covering everything from ser versus estar to the past and future tense, completely free. Link is in the description below. And if you want to reinforce every lesson with structured practice, check out our A1, A2 practice workbook. 260 exercises with a full answer key. Also linked below, you've just unlocked one of the most powerful structures in Spanish grammar. In the next lesson, we'll focus on the 2 most common uses of the subjunctive, expressing desire and doubt, with plenty of examples so it becomes natural. See you there.